The U.S. Navy's Small Unmanned Aerial Systems used by Explosive Ordnance Disposal Mobile Unit 8, or EODMU-8. These compact, man-portable drones are employed by Navy EOD teams to safely reconnoiter suspected IEDs, unexploded ordnance, and improvised threats from a standoff distance. Equipped with high-resolution visible and thermal cameras, they provide real-time video feeds that allow technicians to assess hazards without putting personnel in immediate danger. The drones are ruggedized for harsh maritime and littoral environments, feature AI-assisted obstacle avoidance, and can operate in GPS-denied areas using visual inertial odometry. The primary strength is the standoff reconnaissance capability that keeps EOD technicians safer while giving them critical visual intelligence. Battery life typically ranges from 25 to 35 minutes, with rapid swap systems enabling near-continuous operations during extended missions. EODMU-8 and other Navy EOD units have been integrating these small UAS into training and operations since at least 2024, with documented use in exercises such as Arctic Specialist and Northern Challenge. These drones deliver encrypted high-resolution video and thermal imagery directly to the operator, integrate with shipboard and expeditionary command networks, maintain precise hover control over potential threats, and support safe assessment in complex coastal and expeditionary environments where ground robots may be difficult to deploy. Check my link in bio for more educational content on military technology. Vet Miltech, daily from the drop zone.